Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I picked up something. I don't know if this is Temu or Amazon. I did buy some stuff from Temu, and sometimes they will send pieces separate. So let's take a look. I think I also picked up some stuff from Amazon too. All right. So let's see. Oh yeah, I think this was a Temu one. So this is a little tiny charm, and somebody pointed out that it actually says the word coach. Of course, you know, this, I think it's cute. It's the right kind of gold for me. I don't like, ooh, let's see. What's on his butt? Does that say coach? I can't hardly see. I think it does. It's cute. He's cute. He's tiny, but cute. All right, so I'm gonna put that there, and then we'll see what else we got. So I got a Thredup item, and let's take a look. All right. So I bought this because I thought this purse, this wallet was gonna match this purse. Because for some reason, when I bought this, I thought she said pink, but she must have said peach. But anyway, that was on me. But so I bought this because I thought it went with this. But I do have a Kate Spade pink purse coming, so it's not in vain. But let's take a look at this. It's cute. So you got ID window here, and I like when they do it like this, where you have the window here, but then you also have a pocket. That's useful. And then so you got two here, you got two here. Now this one may be too long, but and then two here. Then you got where you can put change if you want there, and your bills or whatever back there. And then you also have a little pocket here. So it looks like it needs to be cleaned up a little, but very cute. Now I will try to put in the description what I paid for that. And so this made me get the order. Made me order anyway. And besides, I had some kind of coupon that was about to expire. I want to say $10, but I can't remember. But this, I was hoping went with another purse. Give me a second. Okay, I think it does. So I don't know if it's supposed to match, like were these sold together or something? I don't know, but look how cute that is. I really like that. This is going to be really fun to use. I don't know. I don't think this probably was not sold to go together, but I think it does go together. I think it's super cute. Look at that. I usually, don't go for a lot of sparkles and stuff, but this is really cute. And then you got, it still has a little sensor in there. All right, so then you have two little card slots here. Really, really cute. Really cute. I'm very excited that looks good. Now, You know what? Look at that. I mean, it's not exact, but that is going to go with that for me. Anyway, that was a happy accident right there. Because I bought this to go with this. But anyway, what do y'all think? I think, yeah, I think all three of these go together. I mean, it's not exactly, but it will be for me. But, y'all tell me what you think. And I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.